Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Melike of EnglishCentral. Welcome back. And today we are going to learn about the difference between do and does. The difference between do and does is simple. The pronoun determines which one we should use. Let's elaborate on that, shall we? The word do doesn't change its shape by itself in a sentence. It is the pronoun that changes it. Let's take a look on how it works now. The pronouns I and you and the plural pronouns take do after them. As an example, I do the cooking every day. Or, you need to do your homework. If it is going to be a negative, all you have to do is to add a not after the do and make it into a don't or do not. Check out these examples. They don't eat seafood. We don't watch the TV at home. I do not like green peas. And for a question form, all you need to do is take this do or don't to the beginning of the sentence. See the examples. Don't you need to see a doctor? Do they need help? Do you like our examples? You know where to find more. EnglishCentral has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app EnglishCentral to check out our educational materials. We also offer you a free lesson with our English teachers so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue. All these rules apply for the does as well. When negative, does becomes does not or doesn't, and in the question form, it comes in the beginning of the sentence. But don't forget, does only follows he, she, it, and the names. Here are good examples on how to use does. She does that all the time. He doesn't like sweets. Does it sleep all the time? Carol doesn't like carrot cake. Let's remember what we learned today. All pronouns except for he, she, and it take do. However, he, she, it, and the names take does. Both do and does have negative forms. Plus, if we are going to make a question sentence, they are the ones to start the sentence. Let me offer you a special from Teacher Melike. Both do and does are in the present tense. In fact, do can change its look according to the tense that we are using. As an example, in past tense, do becomes did. Do you want to know what happens to do in other tenses? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click the link below and visit our website EnglishCentral.com to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.